Have you ever wondered why your neck pain never fully goes away? Or why your arm or shoulder pain keeps coming back? Or even worse, why your lower back pain flares up even when you haven't lifted anything heavy? Well, what if I told you? The problem is not always where the pain is felt. And the real reason behind these pains is something that most people often overlook. Let me share with you a powerful concept, a game changer, that can transform how you treat and understand these pains. First, we need to understand the hidden chains. You see, your neck, shoulder, arm, and lower back are part of a kinetic chain. They are not isolated parts, but interconnected systems, like links of the same chain. And the secret lies in something called regional interdependence, a concept in physiotherapy that says a problem in one region of the body can create symptoms in another region, even if that area seems perfectly fine. So let's understand these kinetic chains first. There are 3 lines of different colors running across areas from cranium to pelvis. These 3 lines connect structures of body with one another, and this explains the regional interdependence. So now, for example, if there's an unaligned pelvis, this is going to affect all the above kinetic chains, and symptoms might appear anywhere in these chains. Therefore, it is important to note here that it's not about which technique you use to eliminate pain, it's about understanding how your body is a beautifully connected system and you address it as a whole. Now you would surely ask, how do you treat the whole body? Here I would like to tell you that this is what has inspired us to learn PRRT, the Primal Reflex Release Techniques. This course teaches us how to assess all important areas in just a matter of minutes, irrespective of where the pain is, and treating them with some specialized techniques to restart and balance the important structures. You can learn the same from your home, and also for a limited time, we have launched 27% off on the PRRT course. To get it, you can WhatsApp us at the given number in description. We have also uploaded rebalancing techniques, videos which realign the joints and solve such issues. You can watch them by joining Physio Classroom Premium membership for only 89 rupees a month. I hope this concept of treating the root cause of pain will be helpful. Thanks for watching.